We are in Leh-Ladakh. Episode 1, Riders versus Black Eyes Through My Lens. This is where the views are breathtaking and so are the falls. Buckle up for my very first YouTube video where we take on black eyes, brutal curves, and a whole lot of laughs along the way. Okay, quick intro before the chaos begins. Hey, I'm Shruti Sargaokar, or as my friends call me now, Penguin. You'll soon see why. You'll find loads of fashion, travel, and photoshoot vibes on this channel. Trust me, you'll get to know more about me little by little, video by video. So, let's dive straight into the madness, shall we? Let's go.
Yeah, sure. Good.
Alright, that's it for Riders vs Black Eyes. This was just episode 1. The chaos has only begun. Oh, and if you're wondering how I earned the nickname Penguin, waddling through snow, rocking sleeveless tops while everyone else was shivering, going without hand gloves almost the whole trip, by choice, not by chance, might have had something to do with it. So yeah, hit that bell icon so you don't miss a single fall or flex. Till then, ride safe, stay warm, stay cool, and keep chilling with your girl Penguin. See you in the next one.